Welcome to our comparison of two popular rice cookers, the COSORI and the CUCKOO. In this video, we'll explore their features, specifications, and user reviews to help you decide which rice cooker is right for you. We'll cover their capacities, cooking functions, and ease of use, so stay tuned. The COSORI rice cooker boasts a significant capacity of 10 cups uncooked, making it ideal for larger families or meal prep. In contrast, the CUCKOO rice cooker has a smaller capacity of 3 cups uncooked, suitable for individuals or smaller households. This difference in capacity can greatly influence your cooking experience, especially if you often prepare meals for multiple people. The COSORI rice cooker offers an impressive 18 cooking functions, including options for sautéing, slow cooking, and various rice types, providing versatility in meal preparation. On the other hand, the CUCKOO rice cooker features multiple settings but fewer functions overall. This makes the COSORI a better choice for those who enjoy experimenting with different cooking styles. Both rice cookers are designed with user experience in mind. The COSORI features a straightforward control panel and a non-stick inner pot for easy cleaning. Meanwhile, the CUCKOO rice cooker is compact and simple to operate, making it a great option for beginners. However, the larger COSORI may require more counter space, which could be a consideration for those with limited kitchen area. In conclusion, the COSORI rice cooker is perfect for those who need a larger capacity and a variety of cooking functions, while the CUCKOO rice cooker is ideal for smaller households looking for simplicity and ease of use. Consider your cooking needs and kitchen space when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.